Hey guys, if your PC crashes only when opening Google Chrome browser, it usually means your Chrome profile is corrupted or there is a RAM paging issue with your system. So in this video, I'm going to show you some important steps to fix this issue properly. Open your C drive, use the folder, select your username folder and open it. Now search for app data folder. If you don't see the app data folder, go to the view tab and enable the hidden items. Now open local folder, Google folder, Chrome folder, and here rename the user data folder to user data old. That's it. After that, open your Chrome browser again. Chrome will automatically create a new user data folder. If your PC does not crash, sign into Chrome with your credential and don't forget to synchronize your profile. If the problem is still not fixed, move to the next step. This step is very crucial and solves most crash related issues. So press Win plus R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to Advanced tab, under Performance, click Settings. Go to Advanced tab, under Visual Memory, click Change. And uncheck the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drive. Select C drive, choose Custom Size and set value based on your RAM. If you have 8 GB RAM, initial size will be 8192 and maximum size will be 16384. If you have 16 GB RAM, initial size will be 16384 and the maximum size will be 32768. And if you have a 32 GB RAM, initial size will be 32768 and maximum size will be 65536. I have 8 GB RAM, so I'm putting this value. Click Set, OK and restart your PC. And your problem should be fixed. Stay safe.